Hello student. Last time हम लोग ने we have done on urine sample. We have done how to collect a urine sample, how to do physical examinations by using dipstick technique. And this video also we're going to do the same thing, but then as far as the examination is concerned, so there are two forms of methods through which we can examine the result or interpret the result, I must say. Then लास्ट टाइम तो हम लोग ने किया कि जहाँ में हम लोग ने डिपस्टिक को यूरिन सैंपल के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस किया, उसके बाद जब कलर चेंज हम लोग ने मैनुअली विजुअलाइज करके रिपोर्ट द रिजल्ट रिजल्ट्स को रिकॉर्ड किया है कि नहीं. लास्ट टाइम इन द लास्ट वीडियोस वी हैव डन the dipstick technique only, and we use the dipstick technique, and we introduce the dipstick with the urine sample, and we see the color change, and we compare it with the comparator which has been given in the container, and we report the result. But the same thing which we're going to do by using urine analyzer here, which is an automated machine that will record the result, and they will give you in a digital way. So let's start. So same thing, first and foremost we have to wear the gloves, take out the dipstick from the container and dip into the urine sample में आपको डिप करना है. प्रीवियसली क्या किया था, डिप करने के बाद we kept it for 5 minutes and observe the result by manual technique, है ना. So now we're going to use a urine analyzer. There are different kinds of companies available through which you can do it, but it depends upon what kind of parameter the urine analyzer can give. Okay, so what you have to do after dipping the dipstick into the urine, then you have to keep it into this slot which has been kept for the strip only. Before that you have to on the urine analyzer, and you have to start the results. Okay, so now you have to press start. So once you press the start, it will take around 1 to 2 seconds. Around 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes, and after 1 to 2 minutes, it will directly go inside the machine, and the machine will automatically analyze the result. So as you can see in here, when you see bilirubin is negative. Okay, so now ketone body is also negative, glucose is negative, protein is negative, erythrocyte is also negative, pH is around 5. Okay, nitrogen is negative, leukocyte is negative, specific gravity is 1.000. So these machines will automatically read the report, and once it read the report, see now there's an option that you can either save it or you can get a printout of that machine also. So it is very much advisable to sterilize the machine after use it, and now you can see आपका report पूरा printout form में आ रहा है. So that is how you have to use urine analyzer by automated method, then through which you can get the test report. So dipstick can be done by two methods, either by manual observation method or by using urine analyzer. Urine analyzer is nothing but it will automatically read the report and give you into printout form. और आप मैनुअल मेथड भी कर सकते हैं. मैनुअल मेथड जब आप हेल्थ कैंप जा रहे हैं जहाँ में मशीन्स अवेलेबल नहीं है, करंट्स अवेलेबल नहीं, अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का कुछ वो है, तो तब आप मैनुअल मेथड भी यूज कर सकते हैं. मैनुअल मेथड में वेरी मच सिंपल, you have to give the dipstick into a urine and then keep it for around 5 minutes, and you have to observe the color change and compare it with the comparator which has been given in the container itself. Okay, so that is how we do physical examination and chemical examination of urine. If you have any questions regarding this, do comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.